watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. We're in January, obviously, we all know that. But yeah, party season is over and all of that frenzy is gone. But we're thinking now, how do we make everything that we own in our wardrobes fresh again? How do we reboot our wardrobe? How do we not feel tired of what we already have, so we don't go and oversplurge on, well, unnecessarily on new things? You only feel new when you have new things. It doesn't have to be that way. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to give you 5 points, 5 things that you need to do to make your wardrobe feel new again in 2018. Enjoy this. Number 1, remember to try on your old pieces with the new ones. This way you give yourself a new wardrobe experience. Old doesn't necessarily mean trash. Sometimes the perfect match for something you just bought is that good old blouse or skirt lying in obscurity down in your closet. Also, remember, it gives you an opportunity to recycle your clothes. Not only is it good for the environment, you also save yourself a whole lot of money from shopping. You don't have to shop all of the time. You just strategically pick out things in the stores that goes well with the pieces that you already have, and boom, you're all good to go. For example, I got this shirt from ASOS ages ago, and then this one is from H&M just recently. This is what I'm talking about. Like, you don't throw all your old pieces away. You need to decide in a very careful way what you're throwing away and what you're keeping. That's why it's good for you to always go for classics. Classics are things that you can use and use and use again and again in different ways, and they still feel fresh, they still feel new. A good shirt is always a classic. So yeah, this I have paired with these trousers. Pants are pink and the shirt is a red stripe shirt, and we all know that pink and red are sort of like best friends. So yeah, that's a fantastic way to renew your wardrobe for 2018, guys. Don't throw your old pieces away. Keep them because they'll be useful sometime.
Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it, just for tonight. I want to believe, so keep on coming closer, keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know all we need is love. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me.
Number 2, I know party season is over, but this is also a reason to give your party outfit a reboot. You don't have to make your party dresses sit and wait around until next Christmas or the next party that you're invited to. I suggest you bring them all out and find a way to style them casually. This way they can be part of your everyday look. I have paired mine with trainers, socks, and a blazer. I added my cute teddy bag to play around with texture. Now I can take this dress out on a day to run errands and do anything that I like. For me, I'll say that's ace. So remember, guys, this now means that you can use your party outfits as many times as you like, because I know that they're quite expensive. So why use them just a few times? You need to make them work for the money that you spent on them. So go on, get all your party outfits and see what you can create with them. Number 3, mix your checks with your sportswear, guys. It has always been about mixing and matching prints, or going for coordinates, or mixing with florals. This time I think we should try it out with our sporty pieces and things like that, like I have here. Now everything I'm wearing here is from Zara, apart from my boots, which I got from ASOS. I'm liking the way that it's kind of different. I think it's fresh. I think it feels brand new. Instead of wearing the two-piece coordinate suits, or the wearing with a floral skirt or stuff like that, which we're already used to, you can just try it out with your sportswear, and I think it works perfectly. I think it's just gorgeous. Remember, plaid or check or whatever you call it, this trend is definitely not going anywhere anytime soon. I guarantee you that. It's so versatile, so lovely, that I don't think any of us is willing to let it go anywhere. I think everyone is holding on to their pieces. I've gone and got myself a brown one. So sick and tired of the grey one. So I've gone for this one. So anyway, the point is, if there's any plaid or check stuff that you've gathered from last year, I think you need to put them all together and get thinking. Let's get creative here. Like I've mentioned, instead of doing the two-piece, which you can still do, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, or pairing it with florals, nothing wrong with that, but we're talking about fresh ways here. So that's why today I've mentioned pairing it with your sportswear. But that doesn't stop you from thinking of other ways. That doesn't stop me from thinking of other ways. So I think we need to get creative so that we can make this thing last a very long time for us, and we can get our money's worth and, you know, just rock the hell out of it. Try shoes that are different from what you would normally go for. For example, this outfit, I would normally have gone for boots or brogues or court shoes. And I'm sure most of you would think the same way too. But instead of all of those, I have decided to go with these cute turquoise green sandals that I got from Zara. And I love them so much. Guys, let's try and do something different, and it would totally give our wardrobe a new outlook. Remember, guys, your shoes say so much about you. If you're the type that wears one type of shoes all the time and you just can't be bothered experimenting on other things, like sandals that I have done today, and if people are used to seeing you that way all the time, imagine trying something new, something different, like the sandals that I did today. You would get a whole new kind of compliment, and you never know who you're inspiring out there, and that's, to me, that's just the best. So try a new kind of shoe, a new kind of structure, whatever, sandals, clogs, whatever, rain boots, I don't know, try something different to what you would normally wear and see how that changes a lot of things.
Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong.
Number 5. Get yourself an amazing bold floral number, guys. We all love fresh flowers, so I guess there will always be something fresh about floral pieces. My skirt today is tiered, so it has 3 layers, and the mustard flowers are quite bold and pronounced, which makes it a bit of like a statement skirt. I think this is now one of my favorite go-to floral pieces. Try florals in dresses, blouses, even blazers, and see how fresh as a daisy your wardrobe gets. After all, it's almost spring. Remember guys, don't forget it's almost spring, so anything florals right now would be bang on seasonal trends. They're also very easy to pair with other prints that you may have. So go ahead and use whatever statement floral pieces that you have and use it to bring back to life every other print that you have in your wardrobe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I've inspired you, and I hope that this was so much fun. If you liked what you've just watched, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up. I say this every week. I don't know. It sounds like I sound like a broken record, but I guess this is what I'm supposed to be doing. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to thumbs up my video. I love you guys so much. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week.